कि IVF does, it's something that pretty much put a woman's body under a lot of stress, right? And because it's an extra injection that you're injecting in a woman's body to produce eggs against her body's natural wish somewhere, does it have a long-term side effects, and do you think people should go for it? As a woman, if you have to answer this question.
Actually, we've painted a very demonic picture of IVF. It's cruel on the body, but it's a saving grace for a lot of people. It's given a lot of couples who would not even think कि हमें बच्चे होंगे. You know, a ray of hope. एक आशा दी है कि उनके भी बच्चे हो सकते हैं. पर डेफिनेटली द होल प्रोसेस इज टैक्सिंग ऑन द फीमेल बॉडी. जो हॉर्मोन्स जाता है वो उसका इफेक्ट होता है बॉडी पे. ठीक है, तो अ लॉट ऑफ ये जो IVF प्रेगनेंसीज आते हैं जो जिनको हम बाद में वी टेक केयर ऑफ देम विच वी कॉल एज प्रेगनेंसी एंटीनेटल केयर जिसको बोलते हैं. तो उसमें दे कम अप विद अ लॉट ऑफ कॉम्प्लिकेशंस इन देयर प्रेगनेंसी बिकॉज द बॉडी हैज टू एक्सेप्ट सॉर्ट ऑफ लाइक अ प्रेगनेंसी अगेंस्ट इट्स विल. सो इट डज हैव a reaction to it, and any reaction that the body throws up during pregnancy comes off as like कभी BP high हो जाएगा, कभी sugar high हो जाएगा. मतलब pregnancy के within it has its effect on the heart as well, because pregnancy is a very heightened event in the body. तो कुछ भी होता है, normally also pregnancy is high risk, yes. And it has a lot of effect. Now we're talking about patient who may be more than 35, who may already have a lot of medical issues in the body, and we have put a pregnancy is growing, body का जो pregnancy का जो changes होता है they will be further exaggerated. So there is IVF pregnancies definitely have a lot of effect on the body. You'll see women come up with high blood pressures during pregnancy, and that keeps on increasing. उनका pregnancy कभी 9 months तक भी नहीं जा पाता है. We have to terminate it earlier because of these complications that are coming up, and there are lots of women who actually develop a sort of heart disease which may be linked to an IVF pregnancy that they've had. After the pregnancy is over, even after that the effect lingers on. So बहुत सोच समझ के हमें इसमें घुसना पड़ता है. It has a very sort of 360 degree effect on the female body.